Gonna unscrew?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna unscrew the idle air control valve.
So which way? This way?
Left.
No.
Lefty
Left.
loosey.
This lefty loosey. Wait, is that right or left?
You're lifting up.
Yeah, I am lifting up. Okay, that's what I'm struggling. Gah!
What are you doing?
I'm going up, right? I gotta go this way.
Should I give you the longer ratchet? I can give you the longer one so you have more leverage.
But I am supposed to go this way, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
But yeah, but it might just be tight. You just need more leverage. I'll get you the longer one.
Okay.
I'll be right
But
back.
it's gonna hit this thing though.
No, you'll be fine. I'll be.
Let's see if this is enough. Torque. Ah, yes!
Yeah.
That surprised me. I feel so strong. All that boxing is paying off.
I'm not sure that translates to this. Do the other side. There's one more on the other side.
Okay, come on. Power of torque. Ah, there we go.
The power of torque compels you.
Yeah. Yes.
I don't think that's how that goes.
It's totally how that goes.
All right.
All right.
Try not to lose those.
Okay.
They'll just fall down to Neverland.
Okay. So you want me to pull them all the way out?
Yeah, just take them all the way out.
Okay.
I believe there's 2 ring
Yeah.
terminals on it.
There is
1?
one.
Okay, 1. It's on the outside.
And then,
Okay.
yeah. I'm going to put it here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to grab the other one.
Oh, let's unplug this guy first.
Oh.
Squeeze the tab, pull out.
Ah, there we go. Okay. What?
It's funny. See, my ribs still hurt. That's why I can't bend and do this.
Yeah. Yeah, no worries. This is actually not too hard for me.
So I get a lovely assistant to do stuff.
Oh, you're talking to the camera?
Yeah.
I forgot already. Ring terminal, do I just pull this off?
Yeah,
Or
that
do
just
you
pulls straight back.
You want me to come it all the way off?
Yeah.
Wait,
You're going to
hold
get
on.
some
No,
friction on the
something-
bottom.
Something is attached.
Something on the bottom is attaching.
Oh, I see it. Okay.
It's like a nipple that goes or stud that goes in.
And what is this? Just out of
That's the
curiosity.
intake manifold.
Oh, that's the intake. Okay, cool. Oh yeah. All right, cool.
So, see that O-ring on there? Mm-hmm. All right, I'm gonna go get something to clean that off.
Okay.
And then we're gonna replace the O-ring.
Okay. I don't know what. Oh, this thing.
Yeah.
Right? Oh, yeah. That's
Clean the crap off of
gross.
it. If you need more carb clean here, we got more carb clean.
Oh, I think that was actually enough.
That's enough?
I think I'm better at cleaning things than you are. Look at that.
Oh, look at that. All right, so cool. That is thoroughly clean. All right, now we actually need a little pick to pull that O-ring off.
Okay. Do you have it?
Yeah, I got to pick somewhere. I can find something.
Okay.
Is it twisting the whole hose or twisting in the hose?
It is twisting. Oh, there we go. There we go. I got it. I got
Yeah, all right, watch out.
it. Okay.
Cool, now we can work at it out here without having to hunch over for it.
Okay, I think I just need to get rid of the dirt, maybe, and then I can get under it. Oh, this is kind of fun. It's kind of like whittling. I don't know, maybe not whittling. I've never actually whittled anything. But I don't know.
I like how you're comparing it to something you've never done before.
Yeah, well, that was what I imagine, you know, detail work.
Guess. That's also a brand new razor blade, so it'll cut better.
Oh, okay. It's also, there's just like crusty stuff in there.
So we're investigating the weird idle issue I have. And theoretically that might fix it. There's another dooflicky that's under here that I don't really want to get at right now, but yeah. Hopefully it's this thing first.
Is this gonna work? Oh, I heard something break. I think these, oh wow, the tip just like broke off in there.
I like how the O-ring
see
broke.
that? Yeah, the O-ring
the
broke
metal
the
razor
metal.
blade.
Okay, now you're gonna have a bit of like a metal, yeah, it's not really. Okay, I think it's really, really tough. Like,
It's hardened. This is what happens with
yes.
rubber when it gets old and hard.
Okay, so you need that tool.
That's why it doesn't really seal. Like we can actually, if I zoom in here,
Yeah.
you can see how the O-ring is almost flush, like it's been squashed. It's
Yeah,
flush with this
it is
thing, so it's
completely
probably not
flush.
sealing.
Yeah, it's probably not. Yeah. It might not be thin enough. Let's see.
Just dig it in there and pry it back.
Yeah, but do you see it's like, I feel like it's, fuck! Sorry.
No fuck. You did what
I
you're supposed
broke
to
it
do.
off!
You thought you broke the screwdriver.
Yeah,
huh?
I was gonna be like, I am the Hulk, but shit. Yes!
Okay.
Okay. That was so cool!
See,
Okay.
I find this entertaining because you don't get to do this stuff, but you come here and you get to work on mechanical
Yes,
stuff.
I do. It's actually really fun. It's very fun. And it's not mine, so if I break it, well, I'll feel bad, but
Yeah.
I didn't have to spend money on it for the entertainment. How's
Yeah.
that?
Okay.
Okay, wait, should I? Oh my god, this is so cool! Look at that.
Actually, we got it out.
We got it out.
All right, so we'll clean that out again. Again.
Okay, yes.
You spray. I
That
spray.
was a good, yes. that
Spray.
was a-
Spray there.
Spray away from us.
Yeah, that's good.
Put it over here.
What's the thing where people do? You pay to like do stuff.
Oh, like where you smash like.
Well, no. Well, you
No?
paying to smash stuff. That's different because then you're not cleaning up. But like people pay to like experience doing someone's job. Is
Wait,
basically what
really?
it is.
That's a thing?
Yeah, it's like an amusement
Okay.
thing.
Well, I mean, it's also a good way to figure out like what works for you and what doesn't. Try this again because it didn't get in the. I'm actually reading a book.
Didn't get in the cracks.
Called How. Yeah, I did in the cracks. How? What is it? I forget. It's like basically how greatness cannot be planned or something. It's been really, really interesting. It makes the argument that you can't really plan for greatness because you don't know how to get there in the first place.
Can't plan greatness. You're born with it.
No, not that. you have to like do random stuff, and that doing random shit basically can sometimes take you to greatness, but that's kind of the only path. You can't really. Objectives are actually not great if you're trying to get to something great, supposedly. I actually agree with this because I think my life would have been a lot worse if I had tried to plan it. My life is awesome now because I didn't plan, I think.
13. Okay. Doesn't look like a 13. The thing's massive. That ain't right.
That does not look. That's 5x. Oh, 13 times 3.
13 mil.
No, it says 13 times 3 mm. It might be 3. Yeah, it's 3.
Oh, the circumference is 13.
No, the circumference is 3 mm. There's 13 of them.
No. That's 5 pieces of a circumference
this
13
one.
mil, and it's by 3 mil thick. It's only 3 mil thick.
Oh, okay.
No, but like what I'm saying is this doesn't make any sense because
it's because you're using this, I think, on the outs. Oh, that looks like.
But I got this one from here, which is the second pocket.
What?
See? It don't
fit. That doesn't make any sense. Wait. Is it that? Try this one.
Okay, hold on. Let's compare to 20. Oh, so it's not to scale.
What the? Oh, so then you probably just have to guess.
These bastards. Okay, so obviously it's not this guy.
That looks way too big.
It's way too big.
Yeah, it's way too big. So try one of the really small ones, maybe. Wait, how is this even useful then? If that's not even to scale, what the heck? I have complaints. UI complaints.
Who do you complain to?
I don't know who made this.
I don't know. Some Chinese company.
Oops.
Oh no, it's dirty.
Okay, should we do a different one?
No, it's fine.
Just wipe
rub it.
Hold on, let's see.
And you dropped it too.
No.
It's fine. This is fine.
What just fell?
You dropped the screwdriver. Okay.
Are you sure?
Can you stretch this over?
Again?
Stretch this over.
Hold on. Yeah. Okay, let me just wipe it. Okay. Okay, this is why I need the nitro gloves.
Yeah, so you actually have. Oh yeah, I forgot to get you those. Sorry.
That's okay.
That
Ta-da! Oh yeah, that was way easier. Yeah, it does.
Is it
I think.
like,
I actually don't know what.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Is that the good?
It's a little bit loose.
Yeah, it feels a little.
Try.
That's what I was wondering. Which one was this?
Try the 7 mil right here.
All right, here we go. The trick I learned just now is
you stretch it out with that.
Stretch it out with. Oh gosh, it's more difficult with this.
That one's thicker.
Yeah, there we go. You hold it to one side and you stretch out.
Oh, I like this. This one looks. That's the key right there.
All right, you think this is it? All right, let's try it. All right, so it looks like we put this back in this tubing.
Do you remember how this works?
Yes, I do. Actually.
Oh, look at that.
I think I would be pretty good at the car stuff.
Yeah, you should come over. I have a lot of cars to fix. No, so we got a Century to fix. We have an engine swap to do over here.
I like puzzles. Ooh, okay, so basically there was a...
God knows what I need on that BE1, but... Okay,
there was actually a really nice little pop, almost a little pop one to fit all the way in there, so that was kind of cool. Just FYI for anyone who's trying to do this.
Satisfying pop.
It was actually quite satisfying. And then I'm just going to stick this...
Just jam that back in there with the new O-ring.
Okay. All the way in?
Yeah, you're going to get more friction now because you have the fresh O-ring in there.
It's actually kind of annoying. And then stick this in first.
Let me move your hand.
There's still some... I feel like there's a little bit of space there.
Probably just wedge that in there. Yeah, you're good. And then...
The screws will help.
Yeah, and then you get the O-ring and the bolts and stuff back. There we go. We'll put all that back.
There we go. This is better.
Now we tighten to fix. Teaching you is like practice for teaching my son.
Well, I'm basically your daughter, right?
Is that how that works?
Yeah.
I don't think that's how that works. All right, triple checking, make tight. Yeah, that looks good. So stop.
All right.
Don't go too far because you could strip them and then you have a worse time. Or snap the bolt. It's also bad.
Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't know that was possible. Well, I don't know if I'm that strong, but maybe I'm the I am.
Questionable Japanese bolts, you know.
Yeah. All right.
Now we start it and check if we fixed it.
Okay, wait, hold on. Let me remove this razor blade and like a bunch of other stuff that's in the way.
It's just a razor blade. It's fine. Pull.
Oh!
Yeah. That's why I wanted you to open it.
Oh. Okay. All right. Okay. We've got. Am I gonna need to shift or anything?
No, it's automatic.
Okay. And then you said there was an idling issue?
I think that fixed it.
Woohoo! Good troubleshooting!
Wait, leave it on, leave it on.
I have to leave it on for a
We'll
while?
let it get warmer.
Okay.
Do you fit?
Close to my favorite color.
You like this?
I do like this. I love it. This is really cute, and I love the color.
You love the color? It's really cute.
I love the color. This is so beautiful. Watch out.
I'm at.
Oh, I love that. I'm excited. Okay. Oh,
It's a weird workout, right?
whoa.
Here, let me close the back too.
Whoa, this is really
That's why you get a sunshade.
so cool.
This
I
side,
feel like I'm in the future.
we have the sunshade on this side.
Well, how do you? Well, you have the sunshade on that?
Yeah.
Oh, this is so cool.
So what I like is
This
it's.
light is broken, by the way.
Yeah, I know. I'm getting a new cover. So I like getting in the back because you can actually like stand up and sit down. However, you cannot like this is for like children or something.
Yeah, that's. I'm gonna use. If I get it, it's gonna be for like.
It's no
trunk
for
space.
nobody. So
Trunk space.
for you, it doesn't matter.
I feel like I'm in the future. I feel like I'm sitting in a very futuristic car.
What happened here? Why is there a hole in the lamp?
I don't know. I feel like someone just went.
Like
with
they
their
just
thumb, like
they just fingered it like really hard and broke the plastic.
they were like boxing with it. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It was very odd. Or like maybe someone had like a piece of furniture or something with a stick and it went.
Okay, hold on. I agree with the furniture idea, but remember what this is. Who's sticking a piece of furniture in here?
Hey, you don't know until you try, right?
Oh,
now
man.
you're stuck, right? Now
Yeah,
you
I'm
can't get
stuck
out.
because my ribs hurt. Ow.
Oh wait, no, that's right. Is there anything? How do I?
Can you reach the lever? Okay, yeah. Now I can get up.
You sure? Do I
Yeah,
need to?
because now I can just stand up.
Nice.
This is the advantage of this over the gull wing doors, because it's open straight up.
What
Gull
are-
wing doors you can't go straight up.
Oh, golden are the ones that are like the.
It's this. It just goes. It's
Oh,
this
yeah.
folded upwards.
Okay, I
But
see.
like with this, it's forward. I mean, you can see how this is a problem for getting into the seat too.
Yeah.
Because now you're being blocked from here. I don't know. These doors of a billionaire are not easy
Yeah,
to
I
work with.
realize like it might be kind of difficult in my driveway.
You want to know what I have? A fucking car whose doors open like this. Not like this. Not like this. These are not the doors of a billionaire, Richard. Fuck you. Fuck you in the ass.
Oh, in driveway it's okay because
really?
it's less room. This doesn't swing out all the way.
Yeah, but I don't need to swing out. Like I only have like a really tiny bit of space sometimes because I squeeze. That well after this one year.
Well, no, that's a new strut.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, I was like, that's one really clean looking strut.
Yeah, that's a new strut. That side has a fake Chinese one. So that one's not as good. Because I opened it for the first time here.
Yeah.
It might be too cold for it to matter, but... So,
Oh.
see how like... So that right now is okay, but the other day when it was warmer, that just kind of shot up and shook the car.
Oh,
And
God.
it reminded me of the fake struts on the AZ1. And then I was just looking at it like, that kind of looks stock because of how thick it is. Because that other strut looks different. So then right here, I see it says Zhang Shang. And I'm like, oh, of course, it's a Chinese strut.
Yeah.
You got to work on that closing muscle.
I ever need to go to the hospital and try to drive myself there. I want to close the door.
We just drive with it open.
Cool. All right. Well, we got that. So I guess.
All right, now we'll get the. I won't continue anymore. It's starting to get cold
Okay.
because I don't want to take that apart and then
That's
get dark
fair.
and cold.
I'll have to come back again.
Yeah, just come back another time. We'll fiddle with it more, and maybe if I get better, I'll fiddle with it more. And then,
Hopefully you get
yeah,
better.
and don't worry, there's plenty of stuff for you to fiddle here.